everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can change location on Grindr. If you're interested, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open Grindr on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, press the Explore button which is located at the top part of your screen. Now you'll see here that your current location is pinned on your phone, but what you can do is scroll to the right, to the left, or even upwards or downwards to find the location that you want yourself to be located in. Once you've pinned on the location that you want to be located in, just press the yellow Explore Now button. You'll see at the top panel in your screen that your location has been changed. Now you can change this again by pressing the X button and then relocating yourself by scrolling and pinning yourself on the location that you want to be located in. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.